I'm so tired. Oh, let's get ready for Halloween. I guess this costume is good enough for Halloween. It's pretty. This must be where Chloe's Halloween party is at, but I do not know how I got invited. I'm the first place. Well, in the first place. Let me check. Oh, yep. This is the place. I'm gonna go in.
OMG, you did not just copy my Halloween costume.
I didn't copy you. We are probably thinking the same thing, right? Fine.
Now you're kicked out because you copied my outfit. Bye. Go now.
Okay, well, I'm heading out. Hi, Max? What are you doing here? You weren't supposed to be here, though.
Oh yeah, I just looked through your phone and saw the address that you're going to. But why is there so many Mason pics in your No, never mind.
Gotta go, bye!
To be continued. Anyways, bye.